Tropical paradise that boasts azure waters, powdery white sand, abundant flora and fauna, and diverse marine life. This is how Boracay was described in Travel Plus Leisure magazine. Alongside other publications, it placed the island among the best beaches in the world. You'll never run out of exciting things to do in Boracay. In this clip, you can see my parents enjoying the thrill of parasailing way back 2019. During that time, you would see an amazing view of west coast of the island where the world-famous White Beach is located. Now, most of the water activities have been moved to the opposite coast, Bulabog Beach, where strong winds make it a hub for water sports, such as jet skiing, kite surfing, and other adrenaline rush activities. These clips were taken in December 2019, just 3 months before the world went into a standstill brought by the COVID pandemic. A year before that, the Philippine government did an amazing job in rehabilitating the island by completely closing it to tourists and extensively set new rules to follow that aim environmental improvements and sustainability. The average temperature throughout the year ranges from about 27 to 30 degrees centigrade without pronounced dry and wet seasons generally. If you love getting tanned, the minimum monthly rainfall occurs from March to May. During these months, you'll have the most activities in the island and lots of opportunities to witness amazing sunrise and sunsets.
All for the better, all for good, all for the better, all for you, all for the better, all for you.
Considering the weather and the most recreations available, December through April are the best months to visit Boracay. On the flip side, the rates will be higher, hotel availability more limited, and more people will be on the beaches. But there's no mistaking that these are the prime months to enjoy the white sands and native experiences in Boracay. To prevent the popular destination from becoming overly crowded, the government has placed maximum cap for tourists. So this was Boracay before pandemic. The next videos were taken during my recent trip to the island last June of 2022. With just 500 pesos or 9 US dollars, what can you get in Boracay? Well, we can just take you right down there, under the sea. With a professional diver, get free amazing footage and photos of your first diving experience and see the beauty of the thriving marine life, from 5 to 10 meters deep, depending on your ability and sea conditions. That's all in, including the diving suit and gears plus a short diving course. In comparison, that 500 pesos is equivalent to a fair serving of fish and chips in London. Lovely in it. But put in mind that this price tag comes along with your bargaining skill. Parasailing is a popular activity where riders can get a unique view of Boracay from above, while being pulled by a boat. This is a fun and exciting experience for those who love heights and want a bird's eye view of the whole island. This 15-minute experience is best enjoyed with a friend or loved one, but any true adrenaline junkie, like me, will enjoy a solo flight. This activity ranges from 1,700 to 2,500 pesos or 30 to 45 US dollars per person. Again, you need to use your bargaining skills on this one. While sunset is the busiest time in White Beach, in Puka, it's the opposite. So if you're looking for a romantic or serene sunset getaway, Puka Beach is a great option. Puka Beach is 800 meters long and fronted by a big cliff with a forest alongside it. Located at the northern tip of Boracay, it takes about 20-minute tricycle ride from the center. Another best thing to do in Puka Beach is a trending crystal kayak. According to locals, this is better than here than in White Beach because there are more corals and fishes in this area that you can see under the transparent boat. With just 200 to 300 pesos or 4 to 6 US dollars, you can enjoy 15 minutes of kayaking with a local tour guide and a free unlimited photo shoot. Mind you, these tour guides are really superb with their shooting skills.